It's really cold and icy out there. I still have my shoes.
I was going to change, and then I realized I didn't have enough time.
Yeah. I hope I don't slip. Don't slip. I was cautious.
Yeah.
Be still. Abby, be still.
Are you next to me?
No.
Are you performing? No. I always have to go figure out that I'm facing the sun and then feel like a nice yeah. That is crazy.
Sniff, sniff, sniff the whole way, little girl. There you go, Ben. There you go.
Remember, blind is not a turning cue, Rooter.